Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you very much for your love and support. I really appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress, and I bring it to you back to back. In this channel, we react to our videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So just grab your share and carry your popcorn, and let's deliberate on today's update.
Everyone a hurry. Everybody they try pack up to move to the polling units. That's how activities they happen inside the rack center here for IHIALA local government. Election materials they grant here, ready to they moved to various locations. You can see core members with the serve as ad hoc staff for INEC. All of them they here. The readiness for movement to polling units. This is 9:38 and election supposed to start in the next 22 minutes according to waiting INEC being talked. So election supposed to start by 10 o'clock. And 9:38, we never see one vehicle move out from this area. We never see election materials move away from this area. This woman uses opportunity of the election. They do small selling as people crowd them. They buy plantain from her. You know, say shops not supposed to open today, so it's another business of its own for today. Sharing of election materials still they go on inside this area, still inside the local government headquarters. What's going on? What's going on? It's almost 10 o'clock. What's going on? You guys are not out yet. You guys are not out yet. It's almost 10 o'clock. What's up? Oh, they never given our money for feeding yet. And what are they saying about it?
They're not saying anything. Saying anything. We don't eat it yesterday night now. We came here yesterday.
Okay, so some of the ad hoc staff, they complain, say, since yesterday.
Why?
Did you guys sleep in this compound yesterday?
Yes, we slept outside.
And they've not come to address you guys this morning. So these men are complaining they've not been given food since morning, and they are supposed to be in the field by now. Up till now, they've not been given food, and they want their money for food before they will step out of this place. This is few minutes to 10 o'clock when the election is supposed to start, and these people are saying they never give them any money to eat. And plenty of them, they complain, say they also sleep here last night, and this morning they still did this place. See, some of them complain, say they sleep for this compound and they sleep outside last night. And but say what the first day this morning, say they never give them food, no money for their allowances this morning. I said they won't collect her before then they come off from this place.
He was like that, the man is speaking. One. That blue one. This blue.
Okay, for people we not understand what they happen, we did for IHIALA local government area here, as the IHIALA local government won't start the supplementary elections where INEC announced supplementary election as a result of say election be no happen for this location on Saturday when they do the governorship election for Anambra State, and as it be, INEC announced they go do supplementary election. And down we do on top of them now. So you can see this ad hoc staff, then they prepare to move into the field to start the election. But the cocoa day ground now be saying this is almost 10 o'clock and the election is supposed to start by 10, and all of them sit there inside the compound. I never see any of the vehicles drive at. I never see any of. I never see any of the vehicles drive out, carry members or staff or ad hoc staff, carry materials come out. Security just block the gate. Enough security on ground. But we dey here live to give you an update as it happen. When voting starts, we go so dey here to give you a live update when voting starts. But for now, Some of the ad hoc staff, they complain, say they sleep inside this compound last night, and some of them say they sleep outside. And some say they never collect their allowance, they never chop this morning till this is 10 o'clock. So they don't want to interfere without their allowance, say they want their allowance. That one at the cocoa where they happen right now. For IHIALA, local government, where also they serve as the rack center also. Sorry. Sorry, excuse me.
Everybody they talk for their people. No, nobody.
So, what's really the updates? Tell us your name and who you are here. What's really the updates from this angle? Here is a bit noisy. Let's move a bit. Okay. Okay, here is okay. Here is okay. Go ahead. Talk to me.
Okay, my name is I'm the chief of
Okay, so what's the situation on ground? It's almost 10 o'clock.
Okay, immediately after the position of Saturday, Sunday, the Commission released a press release in respect of this IHIALA election. That the election will be conducted in IHIALA. You know, ANAMBRA state has 21 local governments.
Yes.
Elections were conducted in 20 local governments and results were returned. Then this last local government that little issues happened, the elections were unable to be completed. And so the Commission scheduled election for this Tuesday, this day, and the election will be conducted in 20 areas of the local government, 326 polling units, and it has 148,407 voters. And in the press release, an adjustment was made in respect of the timing. That the election will commence by 10, then it will end by 4 p.m. That was the adjustment the Commission made.
So I noticed that this is almost 10 o'clock and they're yet to start moving to the polling units.
They started already over there.
They started moving out already. So what's the delay with all these ones? There are lots of people still here, lots of ad hoc staff still here.
It's little sorting out, but they're trying to move out.
All right. All right, I'll come back to you with to get more updates later. My name is Victor. card. Yes, Mr. My card.
Let me give you the number.
Yes, please. Mr. Ibrahim, right? Thank you so much. TVC. So for people where they ask me what thing they happen, I be saying people still they try to, ad hoc staff still they try to move out from the local government rack center into the town to conduct elections. I don't, as the information officer of INEC will tell me say, as he be say some people don't already begin move out, but say they still they try to sort out things with the others so that they can also move out to go begin the elections. INEC cannot say the election will start by 10 this morning, and this is just a few minutes to 10 o'clock, and the election never still start. We'll go also move into the town, IHIALA town, to observe waiting with the situation over there, whether the election don't start or it never start. And even if it starts, we go dig ground to the given all the updates where una need to be updated on the situation of things from IHIALA local government here in Anambra State.
This Anambra State election need to be very fast and wipe off. Enough is enough. They have been doing this election since on 6th of November. Please, we don't want anybody to use this election as a criteria to distract people. I really appreciate the effort of all Biafrans all this while. And remember, Onyedu will be appearing in court on 10th of November 2021. That is tomorrow. Let each and every one of us keep ourselves in prayers as we see him again. And tomorrow, freedom will speak. So thank you very much once again for always tuning in. I really do appreciate and bringing this from BBC Pidgin. Remember, in this channel, we react to all videos. So I have to let my people understand what exactly is going on about Anambra State election. All right, my wonderful family, do well to subscribe if you haven't. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, any day, anytime. Thank you very much once again for your love and support. I am grateful. See you when I see you. For now, bye.